For millennia, we have turned to nature to find the elements that would enhance beauty and have our skin retain the signs of youth. Cleopatra, known for her captivating beauty, famously took baths in milk and wine. Women through the ages have used cucumbers on the eyes and other mixtures to reduce redness and puffiness. The ancient Chinese herb masters concocted salves and emollients from plants to return sun-damaged skin to its original color. Today, we are beginning to understand the ingredients in these natural substances that help enhance the health and beauty of our skin. Introducing Tensage line of skincare products, a new way of using nature to fight photo damage and the signs of early aging skin. Tensage represents an even further enhancement from some of our natural sources of skin rejuvenation we find in our daily foods. From citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, and lime, we get vitamin C, which helps repair the damaging effects of the sun. From carrots, sweet potatoes, broccoli, and kale, we get vitamin A, which provides protein to the skin and help with DNA regeneration. Antioxidants used in many skincare products are derived from green tea, grapeseed, and ginkgo biloba, which help fight the damaging effects of pollution and free radicals. We obtain skin brightening agents from soy, pear skins, and the bearberry plant. Scientists have recently discovered a new and surprising source for a substance with powerful regenerative properties, a little tiny snail. But not just any ordinary garden snail. This snail is only found in certain remote places in the world, including Santander, Spain. And its special secretion is a unique mixture of glycoproteins, antioxidants, and growth factors that has been clinically proven to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles and help facilitate regeneration of wounded tissues.
One of the unique factors of the Tensage product line is that we can use it in any skin type, and we can use it after any cosmetic procedure, or we can use it as a standalone product to make the skin look healthier and give it a glow that patients really want to see.
This special substance, the secretion of the Cryptomphalus aspersa snail, or SCA, has been a secret in Europe for decades and is now brought to America by Industrial Pharmaceutica Cantabria and its American partners, Biopel, through the prestigious skincare line, Tensage.
With Tensage, it's a great product to consider because it has growth factors in it, and we know from many different studies that growth factors actually thicken the skin, which is something that we start to see thin with age. Tensage is a growth factor line that comes from animals, so you don't have to worry about some of the concerns about products that come from human growth factors. So I was able to participate in a clinical trial, which was a 2-center trial to evaluate the effects of Tensage. And it was really nice to be able to participate in a trial that was able to give my patients results as far as improvement in wrinkles, luminosity, and skin brilliance after just 8 weeks of using the Tensage line.
In the clinical trial I did, we were able to demonstrate that using Tensage can significantly improve some of the signs of photoaging, improve specifically lines and wrinkles around the eyes, and overall improve luminosity of the skin.
The double-blind, split-face, placebo-controlled study is the gold standard of clinical data, and the Tensage study had numerous examples of significant improvement as seen by these before and after photos. The use of snails in skincare is now often in the news, with creams from the Helix aspersa and salons where garden snails are put directly on the skin. These treatments are of no value. Only the secretion of the Cryptomphalus aspersa, SCA, this particular species of snail, has been shown of value, and only when the snails are stimulated in a special manner. The patented process requires gentle manipulation by hand. No machinery is used and no snails are harmed in the process to obtain the exact and correct combination of elements for regenerative secretion, or SCA. The SCA is harvested in Spain, where it is tested, stored, and used for the manufacture of Tensage. The Tensage line consists of 2 moisturizers, 2 eye creams, and 3 powerful serums. The cornerstone of the Tensage treatment is the Tensage Everyday Serum. With a concentration of 15% SCA, this serum is powerful, yet can be used every day.
So what I always tell my patients is that they're going to be using some form of skincare. So wouldn't they prefer to use something that actually works and has some studies to support its claim?
Tensage 15 serum in our office is a pretty popular product. We have a lot of patients who use it on a regular basis, and we have actually a lot of staff members that use it as well.
Just 2 pumps are needed for the entire face and neck area, more if being applied to the décolletage. Makeup and sunscreen can then be applied. Tensage serum can also be used at night to enhance the skin's natural regenerative process during sleep. For moderate to severe sun damage, there is Tensage 50 serum. The Tensage 50 intensive serum is used intermittently for a concentrated 2-week regimen. The unique delivery system allows for precise application. Each unit is designed for a single application. This precious serum can be poured into the palm of your hand for application. Simply open and apply gently around the entire face and eye area. 1 vial is enough for the entire face or décolletage. Tensage 50, in addition to the SCA, has powerful ingredients added in the formulation to brighten the skin and improve coloring. Studies of Tensage used on the décolletage have shown dramatic improvement in skin texture and color. The Tensage line has 2 moisturizers, the Soothing Cream and Advanced Cream, and 2 eye creams, Radiance Eye Cream, which has just a hint of color, and Eye Contour Cream for added moisturization. Your skincare specialist will help you choose the moisturizer and eye cream that is right for you.
I love the Tensage Radiance Eye because ultimately with the skin thinning around the eyes, we start to see sometimes a little bit of redness or blueness under the skin, the blood vessels under the eye. The nice thing about this eye cream is that it actually has a little bit of a tint. So it almost serves as a concealer, but also it helps stimulate new collagen production from the animal-derived growth factors.
There are many patients out there that really love Radiance Eye, and one of the factors with that is the fact that it's a tinted product. So that touch of tint really helps camouflage some of the dark discoloration and under eye circles that people have. But having growth factor in there and having the moisturizing capabilities has been really effective for people.
While many patients like the tinted Radiance Eye, some prefer a nighttime eye cream without tint. The Tensage line of skincare provides that as well with the Tensage Eye Contour Cream.
In the clinical trial, we actually investigated the Eye Contour Cream from Tensage, which is a great product because ultimately the skin around our eyes is thinner than that of the cheek, and with age you start to see the difference. And so it's important to use an eye cream in order to thicken that skin, especially when you have growth factors that are able to do that for you.
Because of its unique and powerful regenerative effects, Tensage is often used after procedures that have disrupted the skin's natural barrier. A special serum, Tensage Intensive Serum 40, has been developed to help healing after in-office procedures.
Tensage 40 ampules in my practice are used right after procedures.
Tensage 40 is used in different ways in my practice. I use it as a standalone treatment in terms of treating photo damage. So for example, I'll have patients apply it once daily for 7 days and then once a week for 3 weeks, and they will do this once a quarter. So 4 times a year, they're boosting their skin regimen. Patients tell me that their skin looks smoother, more radiant, more even-toned.
It is incumbent upon us to make sure that every single one of those patients who leaves the office is using Tensage 40 ampules in order to improve the cosmetic outcome of that procedure. We also use the Tensage 40 ampules when we are doing CO2 laser resurfacing, microneedling, and other cosmetic procedures. We have found that the Tensage 40 ampules gives the patient a nice glow and makes the skin look much better.
The use of Tensage Intensive Serum 40 post-procedure is now the new standard of care for cosmetic procedures. But the entire Tensage line is still used mainly by men and women around the world as their preferred daily skincare regimen, even if they have not had an in-office procedure.
Not everyone obviously is a candidate for a procedure, nor do they want a procedure, and they still really should be incorporating a regular skincare regimen. And so the Tensage line is a great regimen to consider because in the clinical trial, they were able to achieve improvement in fine lines and wrinkles without any laser resurfacing or photofractional procedure.
We want to make sure that our patients are using something every single day. So we have incorporated the Tensage 15 serum, which is applied on a daily basis, followed by the Tensage moisturizer.
The Tensage serum is a great maintenance treatment between the boosting sessions with the 40. So I have patients use it daily as part of their skin regimen. It's an animal-derived growth factor, so patients can feel very comfortable that they're applying a product whose safety is well established, and the product itself is very well tolerated.
For my specific practice, having a portfolio of Tensage products, from the Tensage 40 ampules to the Tensage 15 serum to really the Tensage Radiance Eye, has been a welcome platform for us to use for patients. They recognize the packaging, they know the consistency of the delivery process is something that's very reliable. So we have many people who are on the whole spectrum of BioPel products.
Tensage Everyday Serum, the cornerstone to every skincare regimen. Tensage Intensive Serum 50, used 3 or 4 times a year for an intense 2-week treatment. Tensage Soothing Cream and Advanced Cream Moisturizers, intense moisturization with the power of SCA. Tensage Radiance Eye Cream and Eye Contour Cream for the special delicate area around the eyes. And Tensage Intensive Serum 40 for use after aesthetic procedures to speed up healing and enhance results. The Tensage family of products. Advanced skincare from a surprising source. Look to nature for naturally beautiful skin. Ask your skincare provider about which Tensage regimen is right for you.